Hello everyone, this is me Mushi back with the next video. In this video, I'll show you how to add taxes, apply discounts, and switch between different currency options inside X Invoice. So whether you are billing your local clients or working with international customers, these features will help you, customize your invoices professionally and get paid faster. All right, so for that, let's start with the taxes option. There are two ways in X Invoice. If you are creating an invoice, right? So if you scroll down, you will be seeing that there is an option for add tax. You can manually add tax there. And the other thing is, if you go to the settings, invoicing, there you can set your default tax rate as well. Like if you have 1 to 2% of tax rate, like for each invoice, any invoice, so you can just directly set the invoice rate here and it will apply on all of your invoices. And if I will show you, like in the settings, I have set 10%. Let me change to 15% and save the settings. And now if I go to the invoices, add invoice, you will see 15% will, it is pre-applied over there. And same for the discount and the shipping charges, we can add them from here. Okay, discount is cover tax. You can add taxes like this, and you can also change the currencies for the invoices as well, right? So currently it's by default it's USD. To change the currency, you just go back to the settings. Here is the long list for any of the currency you would like to make invoice for. Just click that, save changes, go back to the invoices. Okay, one thing, the invoices you have created already will remain same by using that currency. If you create a new invoice, that will be having the new currency you have selected, right? So that's how you can create invoices for different currencies for different clients. And also for the due date, there is an option in the setting. If you go to the settings, invoicing, by default it will be 30 days, but you can change it from here, like 7 days, 15, whatever your case is. And also you can change the invoice prefix as well from there. And yeah, that's it. That's all about the taxes, discounts, and multi-currency of the system. See you in the next video.